How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Adding highlights on Instagram without posting it on their story is probably something that you have seen your friends do, but you question yourself, how do they do it? Well, I'll teach you how to do that in this tutorial. So first things first, you want to open your profile, and then from here we're going to click the settings here on top, and then we're going to click settings and privacy. Now we're going to scroll down until we can see who can see your content. And then the fourth one, hide story and live. So let's click that one. And then we're going to click it again. And then from here, you want to basically click the few people that you don't want to see your stories, or basically all of your followers. So say for example, I'm going to do for all of my followers, and then I'm going to click exit. And as you can see here, it's 0, but basically once you go back there, you should be able to see it update. So just like this. Now let's go back and we're going to start posting a story. So let's try here, your story, and then I'm going to scroll down and find the pictures that I want. So basically there was something earlier that caught my eye, so this one. So I'm going to choose multiple photos. I'm going to click select, and then I'm going to say, for example, choose 3 pictures, and then I'm going to click next. And then from here, I want to put separate photos for my stories. And then I'm going to click next. All right, and then I'm going to just enable it this time and then click share. All right, done. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to go here. So as you can see, now we have 2 highlights as of the moment. But if I'm going to click this one, say for example, here I have 3 pictures and we want to put those in the stories. If you're going to click new, you shouldn't be able to find it here. So we're going to go back and we're going to click the stories, and then here you see the highlight button down below. We're going to be clicking that one. All right, and we're going to add a new highlight. So this time I'm going to say, for example, wife, and then I'm going to add. All right, the same thing here. So now I have added, and as you can see, I now have 3 stories. So let's click it again. All right, there you go. There you go. There you go. And yes, that's how you're going to add highlights on Instagram without posting it in a story in 2023. Congratulations, you've managed to do it, and I hope you learned from this tutorial. And as always, please subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.